Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Can you really make an extra $1,000 per month? Yes, with the right side hustles. First, let's talk about freelance writing. You can make $25 per hour writing articles. Work 10 hours per week, that's $250. Add 20 hours of virtual assistant work at $15 per hour, that's $300. Now you're at $550 per month. Next, consider online tutoring. You can make $30 per hour teaching English online. Work 5 hours per week, that's $150. Add this to your previous total, you're now at $700. Another option is selling products online. You can make $20 per hour selling on eBay. Work 10 hours per week, that's $200. Add this to your previous total, you're now at $900. Investing in stocks is another option. You can make 5% returns per month. Invest $1,000, that's $50 per month. Add this to your previous total, you're now at $950. Finally, consider ride-sharing or dog walking. You can make $15 per hour driving for Uber. Work 5 hours per week, that's $75. Add this to your previous total, you're now at $1,025. To recap, we've covered 5 side hustles: freelance writing, virtual assistant work, online tutoring, selling products online, and investing in stocks. Remember, these are just examples. You can adjust the hours and rates to fit your needs. The key is to find something you enjoy and can commit to. Now, let's talk about the benefits of side hustles. First, they can help you pay off debt. Second, they can help you build wealth. Third, they can give you a sense of purpose. In conclusion, making an extra $1,000 per month is achievable. It just takes some effort and creativity. So, what are you waiting for? Start your side hustle today. Summary: 3 key takeaways. First, start small and scale up. Second, diversify your income streams. Third, be consistent and patient. CTA, subscribe, like, comment below.